I am at the corner of 1141, 551 here in Rockwall. Today I want to show you the newest community coming here in Rockwall on the north side. For context, Hayes Elementary School is right there, and this is Nelson Lakes. Looks like it's going to be probably maybe around 100 homes or so, maybe a little more. Two major builders in here, and here's the thing. Only thing out here right now is me and the dirt, which means this is the best time to get a really great deal. So let's go check out and talk about this new community, Nelson Lakes, here in Rockwall, Texas. Here we go. All right, well, let's start this off by telling you this. My name is Zach. I'm a realtor here in DFW, and my specialty, the thing that I love doing the most in real estate, is new construction, which means I sell a lot of that. I think I'm pretty good at it. So whether it's Nelson Lakes and you want to get in before anybody else, or it's Salina, or it's Forney, or it's Fort Worth, or you're looking for a builder that has great incentives that can close in 30 days, I'm your person. Here's the deal. I'm gonna put my contact information right here at the beginning of the video, and then I'll put it again at the end, right there at the bottom. Reach out if you need help. I'm here to help any way I can, whether you're here currently in DFW or you're thinking about relocating to DFW. New construction is the way to go. I wanna help you any way I can. So you can see all the roads have basically been cut in, and that's it. We don't even have model homes yet. Only one of these builders that I know of has released their early list of pricing and floor plans, and it's Pacesetter. And guess what? I have it. I have the list of floor plans and pricing, and I want to share it with you. I'll show you at the end of the video. We'll go back into my office because it's freaking hot out here right now. But I wanted you to see this. Like I said, Hayes Elementary right over there, corner of 1141, 552, a great neighborhood. So we're just past John King. We are minutes from 30. So if you're looking in the north part of Rockwall, this would be a good fit for you. Like I said, we've got Pacesetter, Windsor, gonna be great. Not sure if they're gonna have an amenity center yet or not. Let's see if we can find it on the drone. Let's get up in the air, fly around, and check out this new community. So as you can kind of see from our flyover, these are gonna be a little bit larger lots. And when I tell you later about the price point, you're gonna expect them to be a little bit larger lots. And when I say a little bit larger, I think that comes out somewhere in the 50, 60, 70, maybe 80, maybe, I'm not really sure. It's gonna have a low tax rate. I think it's below 2%. Don't know what the HOA is gonna be yet. We're still waiting on all of that information. Like I said, this is a brand new community coming here on the north side of Rockwall. Get a great shot here. I said, I think it's gonna be about 100 homes. Half of them belong to Pacesetter, half of them belong to Windsor. I would expect, if you're thinking about timing of like, oh, when are we moving in? I would expect to say mid 2024. I think the hope would be getting some of the contracts in now, 2023, locking in your price, picking up your design options, and then getting you into your home maybe about this time, maybe a little later, summer 2024 would be the ideal goal. Perfect timing to get your kids in place for school, maybe a little later than that, but I think that would probably be their ultimate goal and their hope. Is that, as you can see, there is literally nothing here yet. No models, no anything. My goal is, guys, I always want to be one of the first people to get you information as that information comes available, as new home communities become open. And like I said, got the email. I knew I needed to talk to you about this one. Well, the most exciting thing about a new community is, of course, getting to be first, seeing all the floor plans, and taking a look and starting to plan and dream about, does this fit for your family, and what does it mean for you? So I told you at the beginning of the video, if you stayed to the end, I would show you floor plans and I would tell you prices, which I want to do now because, I like giving you value and I want you to be first. I want you to find the great thing. So I'll show you my screen and let's get into it. So just want to start off by saying, so in Nelson Lakes, like I showed you, it's literally right across the street from Celia Hayes Elementary. So you go Hayes, Williams, and then Rockwall High School. It is just up the road from the new freshman center that Rockwall ISD is building. So that should be more than open by the time that you get ready to move into your house. Tax information, so Rockwall County, City of Rockwall, Rockwall ISD, total tax rate, let's highlight that right there, 1.99%, under 2, which is great. But when I tell you the prices, you're going to appreciate that it was under 2. Give you kind of an idea. These are the lots that Pacesetter has. I believe they have pretty close to a 50-50 split with them. And I think the other builder is Windsor. So you'll see both of those kind of go in. So pretty good number of lots. Let's see, highest number, 40? Does that look about right? 40 is the highest number that I see there. So we've got plenty of opportunity to build, and again, plenty of corners, a couple of cul-de-sacs, a couple probably oversized lots. It's going to be some great space for you. Now, what you actually came for is the floor plans. So here we go. 13 different floor plans. So let's hit a couple and talk kind of what they've got them at. Again, this is first phase pricing. I don't know where they're going to end up. And as soon as they have a model open, we will be back out there to check that out. But first phase pricing, this is the lowest tier on their sheet. This is the San Martino II. It is 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 2727 on the square footage. Starting and base price is $590,900. So $590,900. So that's the cheapest point. That is before you do any sort of structural or design upgrades, before you spend any money on a lot. So this is very easily going to become a 600 plus community, which if you've looked around in that area, you'll see several 600 plus communities over there. Breezy Hill, Stone Creeks, Gideon Grove, which is also Pacesetter, Saddle Star, tons of options, 2727 and 590 square feet. So all of these are also going to have this kind of like J swing driveway. I think from all the floor plans I've looked at for them, it's all a J swing. So 2-car garage option, you get the study, 3 bedrooms, formal dining area, and then on the second floor, just standard, you have this game room and powder bath. You can kind of see some of the options you can add on to your second floor. So if you wanted a media room, you could do that. Or if you option with a bedroom and a media room. Okay, so that's an option there. Next one we've got the Sandstone S. So 3-bed, 3-bath. This is 1-story, 2454. Again, you can kind of see the J swing theme that we're going with here. Price on this one, starting price $599,900. So just under 600. You get this really cool entryway here that kind of is a foyer if you're fancy, and you make sure you have an art niche, and this is the spot where you put the oil painting of your favorite realtor who helps sell your home. I'm kidding. You don't want an oil painting of me in your house. That's weird. But you've got a study, front side bedroom, right there off the garage, secondary bedroom, master with the sitting space. This one does have the option to add a 3rd-car garage kind of on the opposite side. So you would, complete the triangle here. $599,900. Let's keep going. Let's get even bigger. So this is the Brighton floor plan, 4-bed, 3-bath, 2940 square feet. And can I tell you, this is probably my favorite floor plan. I think if this one would have existed when we were looking to build, I think we would have tried to build this. I don't know that I would have built it at this price, but I would have tried to build this one. This price comes in at $615,900 base price. So $615,900. Here's what you'll notice on this one. You get the 3rd-car tandem, so you don't have the extra jut-out garage. So 3rd-car tandem, and then all of your bedrooms kind of flank your game room. So this becomes a really cool space. Contain all your kids, put all their stuff in here. Even potentially if you've got older parents and you're moving them in, that could become a secondary living room space very easily. So game room, and then bedroom 4 is there, and then on the back side you have a master bedroom connected to a study. I love that. So many homes you see, the study's at the front. I love seeing this study connected to a master bedroom, because honestly what I would love to do is build a Murphy door like right there and be like, it's a hidden bookshelf thing to my study. I think those are super cool. As you can see, some pretty cool options on this one, which is why I think this is my favorite floor plan. So extend the covered patio. You could actually take out that 3rd-car tandem and add in a media room, options to upgrade your kitchen, vault the ceiling, or do kind of a tray ceiling in your master. So I think probably my favorite floor plan there. Now we'll keep going and we'll get into the 2-story plan. So this is the Driscoll 4-bed, 3-bath, 3,100 square feet. Again, J-swing, so standard is this 3rd-car garage. Base price on this one, $652,900, $652,990. Good porch, garages on both sides, so bathroom, utility, this door into the master. If this is ever an option, do it. You will love it. We have this in our closet, this door that goes into our walk-in closet. It is the best thing, one of the best things we did when building our home. So kind of see that. Here's the base. Here's some upgrades you can make. You can go up to a circular stairs because you want to be fancy, extend the patio, whatever. I said $652,900 is base on that one. Sandstone II, this is going to look very similar to the Sandstone S. It's just going to add that 2nd floor, takes it up another, 800-ish square feet. Base price on that is $675,900. So remember we talked about the art niche in the foyer, a couple bedrooms downstairs, and then you add on a bedroom number 4 and a game room if you take this up to the 2nd floor. Whew, we're sticking with the J-swing. It fits. I think it's going to be a good fit in that community. 4-bed, 3.5 bath, $3,469. This is the Bingham II. Base price $677,900. So as I'm walking you through this, obviously depending on when you see this video, those base prices may have changed. They will probably go up. I don't know how far they're going to go up. It all depends on how long it takes them to kind of build out this community, but I can guarantee you they will go up. So the best way to get the best deal is, as always, we want to be first. So this is the Bingham. Again, separate garage spaces, study, master bedroom, and then upstairs you've got game room and a bedroom. And let's see, I bet the optional media room on the 1st floor. I think I like that. I like the added media room downstairs with a game room. This is the Larue, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 3,400 square feet. Base price on this one is $681,900 is kind of going to be base price on this. Give you an idea, gives you a good balance of bedroom and study downstairs, but then also game room and bedroom space upstairs. So tons of square footage space, option to do the spiral staircase, and of course add the media room onto the 2nd floor. The Fawncrest. These are very, feel very English style. Fawncrest is 3,500 square feet. I love that we call this a nook. I don't know what you do with a nook, but it's a nook. And I would just call this extended living room space because you do have a formal dining here. Again, cut the door, take it. Love that this has its own bathroom space here. I'm not a huge fan of the powder bath next to my master bedroom. That's just personal preferences more than anything for me. And then looking kind of at the 2nd floor, so standard configuration, game room, storage, and then 2 bedrooms with their own straight up en-suites, and then a couple of optional things to add. I do like this one. This one is interesting to me because I don't know that I've ever seen a builder say, hey, let's add a hobby room. So I was looking at this plan. I was like, where does that go? And I was like, oh, it replaces the single car garage and bumps it out. So you still keep your 3rd-car garage. So this would be great, think air conditioned exercise space. Because I know so many people, they're like, oh, I really can't use this space. So they turn it into a home gym or they turn it into workout facility or whatever. So this is the first time I've actually seen a plan that says, hey, we're adding a hobby exercise room. No idea what it costs to add that. I'm just saying, I think that's a pretty cool additional feature if you were going to build this particular plan. This is the Brennan, and I think this is our last one. Let me check my note. Yeah, last one under 700. So 4-bed, 4-bath, 3,600 square feet, and this one comes in at $679 starting base price. So $679. Tandem 3-car instead of the J-swing. So if you want more of a straight on approach, this is going to be it for you. Game room, media room, and then again, the options of what you can add onto that one. This Homestead, over 3,600 square feet, 4-bed, 4.5 bath, and over $700,000 on a base price. So $705,900 will get you into this massive, massive home. So you've got the 2-car garage on the front, 1 car to the side, kind of comes in to your master, your utility room. You have both a dining room and a breakfast nook. I think this is actually, if I remember right, this might be the model for Stone Creek in Rockwall. So if you want to see this plan, Stone Creek and Rockwall might be the place to go to see this one. There's your upgrades, your options. This, I think, is a new plan. So I don't have pricing on this one. This one in my email shows TBD, whatever that, to be determined. To be determined, good or bad. But give me an idea, 3,700 square feet. I would guess this, definitely probably in the sevens, 715, 720, not really sure. And again, that's before any sort of, lot premiums or upgrades or design center decisions that you make. What I don't know yet is what they're doing on incentives for designs, lots. And again, all of those change so frequently. So the best way to stay connected to those is stay connected to me. I try and keep all of those squared away and get that out to people as they ask questions, and make sure that you have everything you need. So tons of different configuration options here if you wanted to do that plan. This is the Inwood plan, and I think this is their biggest plan. So 3,800 square feet, also TBD'd on pricing. But as you can see, again, everything you could possibly want in a home, and then some massive, massive spaces here. So like I said, I would guess this one probably 730, 740 at a top end budget. So depending on when you're seeing this video, they are just releasing, they are in pre-sale phase as of the time of recording of this. If you see it, later in 2023, or you see this in 2024, I will be sure to have made an updated video. We'll go out, check out the model, but you want to get on the list and you're like, hey, this is going to be my community. We've been looking for exactly this in Rockwall. Best way to do that is send me a email or a text. My contact information is right there, and say, hey, we are interested in Nelson Lakes in Rockwall. I will do everything I can. I'll go ahead and get you connected to Pacesetter, to the builder. I think Terry is going to be their sales counselor out there. She's phenomenal. She is coming from Gideon Grove in Rockwall, so I think that's who they're sending over there. But all that to say, me thinking, guys, builders move salespeople all the time. They just do, because they perform well, because they move to different companies, because if they get moved all the time. That's why you need a realtor that is with you throughout your transaction, so they know what's going on. They can help advocate, they can help answer questions, they can help keep track of things. And again, at the end of the day, we're all working on the same team to get you into your dream home. That's what I'm here for. Contact information right there. If you're interested in this community, or you're interested in other communities in DFW, I love selling new construction. It's my jam. Try to do as much as I can and help as many people as I can, but I can't help you, as always, if you don't reach out. So whether it's Rockwall, whether it's Royce City, whether it's Fort Worth, whether it's Crowley, whether it's Salina, I don't care. New construction, love to help you any way I can. Thanks for watching today. Hey, if you want to browse some new homes that have some great quick move-in incentives, you can do that down in the link below. You want to book time on my calendar, you can do that down below as well. And of course, if you found value in this video and you want to continue to learn about new construction here in DFW, thumbs up goes a long way. Subscribe to the channel, because we have content coming out every single week helping you make the best buying decisions possible here in DFW. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.